What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the BTR Garage. My name is Justin. In today's video, we've got a big old box for my 2002 Ford F-250. We're gonna be installing a new grill on the truck to replace the old weathered and dingy looking grill that's on there today. This is a super easy installation. We're gonna show you exactly how to get it done. And we've got several different bumpers you can select from in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have the grill out of the box. Looks nice. We'll take a closer look here in a second, but I also forgot to mention I bought a new Ford emblem for the front of the grill as well. There's all kinds of different cool emblems you can buy if you're interested in something other than the standard Ford logo. So I'll put some links to those down in the description as well. But let's take a closer look at the grill here. So as you can see, I selected the grill that is just like the OEM one on my truck. So it has the chrome frame around the outer edges, and then the center area here is that gray finish. I like this particular style of look on my color truck. There's also full chrome grills that you can get as well. And the nice thing about this particular grill from this brand is it comes with the clips for the bottom of the grill. This is actually the bottom. These little sections here are where we'll attach clips, but it does come with a bag of new clips, which is nice in case you break or lose the ones that are on the truck currently. All right, so enough of that. Let's get the truck pulled into the garage and get started on the install process. As I mentioned earlier, the removal of the grill and the reinstallation is super easy. There's only 4 little Phillips head screws on the top of the grill. And then moving down below, there are 4 clips on the underside of the grill. You can see them right up in there. There's one. There's one of the others. So what we're gonna do first is actually remove the 4 clips from the bottom first, and then we'll remove the screws on the top. And the way the clip is installed in the grill is something like this orientation. So you can see that little lower flap or piece of the clip is what we're gonna pry upward so we can pull it then out towards the front of the truck. So we'll stick a flat blade screwdriver up in there. Got it pried up. Kind of give it a push forward from the back of the grill, and you can see underneath there that it has released from the clip holder. Go ahead and get the other 2. And right now they're just going to kind of sit over the ridge or the lip on the clip. They're not going to come all the way out. And of course the grill's not going to come all the way out because we need to undo the screws now at the top. Now we'll grab our Phillips head screwdriver. We're just going to remove the 4 screws on the top of the grill, and then we should be able to pull it away. With the old grill off, we're now gonna head to the bench and prep our new bumper. We have to put the new clips on it and the Ford emblem. I'll show you how that goes on real quick. Using the original grill as a reference point, take your clips in this orientation. We're gonna attach this little smaller section to the grill itself. So just angle it in this orientation and push up, and it will clip into place, just like that. The emblem installation is pretty straightforward. All we do is press the little guide pins into the plastic guides on the grill. Make sure the top of the grill is up here and you're aligning the logo in the proper orientation. Other than that, it just presses into place. Here you can see the difference between the new grill and our old dingy grill. The old one lost a lot of its color. It's almost gray, or a very light gray, or even light metal color. The new one has a lot of the dark black or dark gray still intact, obviously, because it is brand new. So we're going to install that one in the reverse order that we took it out. We're going to mount it up into place, put the 4 screws in the top, not completely tight at first, get our clips punched into place on the bottom, and then screw everything down tight on the top. When putting the clips back in place, you may have to encourage it a little bit by using your screwdriver and guiding the clip into the hole and giving it a little push to get it to snap in all the way. And then we'll tighten up the screws on the top. So there we go, everybody. We're gonna wrap this video up. Nice fresh grill for my Ford F-250. Definitely refreshes the look of that front end. My grill was not in great shape. You could tell it was weathered and old and dingy. The new one really freshened things up. So if you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, please leave them down below. I would love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, consider doing that as well so we can see you in future videos. Stay safe out there. I am checking out. We'll talk to you all next time.